This is Houston with Stormproof Roofing Systems. I'm here with Mr. Jim. We did his roof. He went from shingle to a exposed metal roof about 2 years ago. And we're just here to ask him a couple questions and if he's had any issues in those last 2 years. Go ahead.
I haven't had any issues. The 2 years I've had it on, we had a real big test of rain here just last weekend with this Hurricane Debbie going through. And my wife and I both went through the house looking around for leaks, and because that was a good test, and we didn't find anything.
That's good.
So we haven't had any issues with it so far.
So you feel going from the shingles to the metal has definitely give you that security when it downpours, rains?
Oh, big time. It's kind of cool. We'll sit here and there's a rain storm going on, and we just know that we're being protected. You know, it's pretty cool. It's an awesome feeling. So
nice. So now I want to ask you the experience from the time that we agreed to do business to the time that we finalized the county and everything, and we parted ways. What was the experience like? I know we had a little mishap on the tear-off day.
right,
How was that?
right. Well, the experience I went with you guys that I felt that I was really impressed with how quick it was done and how professionally it was done. There was a mishap while one of the workers on the roof. I'm sitting at the coffee table here having a glass of milk and a muffin, and all of a sudden this plaster started coming down, and I look up and here's a guy's leg through the ceiling. It was an accident, but I was so impressed how I called you up, and you had just left, and I called you up and telling you what happened. You made a U-turn, came right back and took care of things. Okay. And the next thing you know, everything was being repaired and everything. It was real quickly. So I was totally impressed with that.
All right, awesome. Do you like the appearance of the roof?
Yes.
Yes, you like that?
I can see it every time I drive in. From being out somewhere, I can drive in. I can see it. Can't see it unless you walk far. You know.
Right.
Get far enough away from it, you can see it. But driving in, I can see it. It's pretty.
It sure is. I love metal roofs, whether it be exposed or standing seam. Yeah. Metal, I believe, is the way to go because you got that longevity of the system, as long as it's installed correctly. So my other question is going to be recommendation. Did we do everything that we said we were going to do, and would you recommend us to other people?
I've been recommending you guys, and yes, my wife and Paula and I were totally pleased with how you guys handled the situation and put the roof on. It was done quickly, and we're totally pleased. We're going from a shingle roof to a metal roof. When we moved here 6 years ago, the roof wasn't that old, but it started wearing out. And when I saw I had a leak inside right over my bedroom one day, it was just a leak coming right down through, right on me, and man, it's time to get a new roof. So it was the best move we made, is going to a metal roof.
Good deal. That's what we like to hear. We want to sell and provide the best system that works for you and your needs, not try to give you something that you don't need. So I'm glad that it's working out for you, and the roof looks beautiful still. And you guys heard it from here. You heard it from Jim. You guys have a great day.